Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to another day today. As you can see, I'm not in my normal spot. It is September 8th and it is Friday, the day before the storm Hurricane Irma, and I am trying to get a few shots up here of the neighborhood as much as I can. As you can see, everybody is boarded up. I got a nice view up here. I could get a few pictures of before and maybe some after if I still have a roof here, because you never know, this hurricane is pretty strong and everybody out here is pretty worried about it. Everybody's getting safe, everybody's getting supplies. Things are running out all through Florida because it's supposedly coming straight up through. It just depends when it makes that turn. Everybody is pretty prepared. It looks around, I'm looking around the neighborhood, I only see like one, maybe two houses not boarded up, but I don't even think people own them, or like they're owned by the bank or something like that, so it doesn't matter, I guess. But yo guys, I guess keep us in your thoughts, keep us in your prayers. This is just the start of my day. I did sleep all morning because you saw last night on my vlog I was up late. I was up till like 5 o'clock in the morning. Woo, getting gas, running missions, getting food, getting water, getting sodas, all the stuff that I had to do yesterday. And yeah, today I came over here because I had to help my dad move a bunch of stuff for his house. And then basically after that, pretty much chilling and welcoming Hurricane Irma, and hopefully it doesn't destroy our neighborhood. That's basically what today is about. So guys, I just wanted to show you what the wind is looking like at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock right now. These are just the beginning of anything. Like, this is just like knowing the calm before the storm, the nice breeze, the beautiful weather, the nice clear skies, and we're gonna get the storms later tonight. And I just wanted to show you some of the winds and what we're working with right now. Now that I'm standing on the roof, you can see a lot of people outside still preparing. I'm glad, that's good, because everybody needs to get their stuff done. We don't want to take this lightly. You never want to take a hurricane lightly. Over 110, 120 damage to your house. You don't want to take that lightly. As you can hear, the wind is picking up. I mean, I don't know if you can hear, but the wind is picking up. And this is just like the little beginning. This is just like a too breezy day on the beach. Like, it's nice here, but on the beaches is not what you want, because you can't play catch, you can't play frisbee. This is not good weather. This is just good breeze. Like, whew. Guys, this is some scary stuff. This is my first time as an adult up here, as like going through a hurricane, so for me it's kind of serious. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty stressed out. I know other people are too, even if they don't show it. We just gotta remember to stay kind and be good to others, because everybody goes through this a different way, and we all gotta remember that. So I'm gonna head off the roof and I'm gonna go to the house downstairs and get something to eat, because I am hungry. I woke up at like 2 o'clock. It is now like 4 o'clock, and it's definitely time to get something to eat because the hurricane's coming in 4 hours. Gotta do the last few minutes stuff, get some stuff out of the yard, and then I am good to chill. Guys, as you can see, the gas lines have gone down. I'm on the way to my grandma's house to help my dad move some stuff to his new home with my grandma. And after that, I am gonna eat something and basically chill out for the rest of the evening. I'm pretty much done after that. I will get back to you once I get to my grandma's. Whew. So me and my dad just finished moving most of the rest, well, pretty much the rest of the heavy stuff, and now we're gonna take a break, get something to eat as we watch the hurricane forecast. As you can see,
go get ready for your interview.
It's supposed to be a hurricane 5, right? Oh man.
It's that the key component will be locking it in.
So guys, it looks like it's supposed to strengthen from a 4 to a 5 after it gets off of Cuba, in between Florida and Cuba. So that's not a good sign. So hopefully it does not do that, because that would be definitely catastrophic. Definitely. I'm gonna get to eating because I am starving. I haven't eaten anything all day and it's like 5 o'clock already. As you can see, my dad's cooking up that burger for me. Shout out to him, thank you so much. Whew. There's only a few more things that we gotta do for Irma, but those are just last few minute things, and we're pretty much ready for this hurricane. I'm gonna eat this burger and then I'm gonna head out to my efficiency and grab a couple of things, get things packed up, make a few sandwiches, get shit ready to go, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna get to this day and keep my day going.
Open at 6 o'clock p.m. Miami-Dade County has 13 open shelters, 5 at capacity. Hurricane Irma has prompted one of the largest evacuations in U.S. history, with millions of Floridians being asked to leave their homes.
Now,
damn.
We saw a press conference just a short time ago.
Damn, that's crazy.
Broward Mayor Barbara Sharif, who had said that there was one flight, the last flight remaining at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport this evening, and then the airport will be closed Saturday and Sunday. So we wanted to know what's happening at MIA. Ari Adzer a short time ago said that American Airlines had added a flight.
So I don't know if you guys heard that, but that means that flights are going to be done at 7:30 today, Friday, and they're not going to be open up till Monday. So that's pretty intense. No one's going to be able to get in and get out. Woo! And I don't know if you heard that as well, the biggest evacuation in US history. Damn, yo, like this shit is being serious. I hope that everybody stays safe and is ready for this. So guys, just a little update. I'm sitting down to eat this burger that I got here that was made by my pops, and just watch some news and catch up on the latest on Hurricane Irma. Got pops over there. We're out here at my grandma's house, and we're just waiting out the storm for a little bit, and I'm gonna head to my efficiency, grab a few things, and you know, that kind of stuff like that.
Right side, they call it the dirty side because a lot of bad weather extends out of this side. Usually the west side or the left side of a forward moving storm doesn't have the weather extend out as far. There is now the possibility, because of the track moving west, that there is a feeder band of intense rainfall that sets up over South Florida. So now we've gone from a storm surge wind event to maybe a flood event as well. So that's something that everybody needs to keep in the back of our minds. We don't evacuate for rainfall flooding, but that then potentially is a flood event, and then we move on up. There's midnight on Sunday night and right up to the So hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of how this is going to unfold. Of course, it'll change not a lot, but it will change, and the effects that we see will evolve with time. And if the next advisory is different, we'll run this again and show you how it goes.
And quick question for those people who have evacuated, either they drove up north a few days ago, or they flew out. What can they expect in terms of coming back? Because you had mentioned before that there will be debris and trees down everywhere on the roadways.
Right. Well, you know, the first responders, they are up here. They're out of harm's way, waiting for the storm to come. But the storm is sweeping its way to the north. Now the winds are coming down. This point here is a little deceiving because it says Category 4 here, Category 4 here. What's really happening is the Hurricane Center puts a point here, and they say it's going to be a 4 here. The next point, they say tropical storm. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1 tropical storm. Don't let that let me just move it on out there so to prove my point. I don't want to. Well, trust me. The next point is a tropical storm. So it's weakening as it's moving to the north. This is
some more storm surge video so people can see just what it is that comes with storm surge and what it can do. We have a potentially life-threatening event here. We have storm surge warnings for life-threatening inundation, as we talked about, 5 to 10 feet in the Florida Keys. So very concerned about that. The water will be building up during the day on Saturday, reaching a peak overnight Saturday into Sunday.
And I know a lot of people were just
trying to go around the south part of the peninsula and the Florida Keys, but now we have a storm surge watch up towards Tampa, and that means there's the possibility of life-threatening storm surge in the next 48 hours up there as well.
Right, and of course the Tampa Bay area, just kind of a disaster waiting to happen. I hate to say it because it hasn't had a hurricane impact in a long time. A lot of people there, elderly people in Pinellas County.
So guys, just a little update. I'm in my efficiency and I'm making a few sandwiches before I leave. I gotta do a few dishes. I have to do a few things before I leave my efficiency for the night because a hurricane is coming tomorrow morning and I don't want to have to go into through the bands or anything like that. I'd rather be in my spot and ready to go. I'm gonna lock up and shutter up everything, so I'm ready to go and everything should be safe. Hopefully, if everything goes okay, but yeah, I'm making some sandwiches just so a little trick that I know is that some people like wait and they buy a bunch of lunch meat and they put the lunch meat in the fridge, and then when the power goes out you have to make sandwiches, right? So then they bring it out, they make the sandwiches, but the thing is that you have to open and close the fridge twice, so that's making it lose a lot of like coldness and anything freshness too, because if you open it, it gets colder and colder, I mean warmer and warmer, so then it gets freaking, food gets spoiled, starts to smell, all the worst things start to come. So what I do is I make sandwiches, so you just go in there, you grab the sandwich that you want, you label them, you're ready to go, and then you boom, grab them, and then boom, done. Eat it and enjoy it. So I got ham, turkey, some Munster and Gouda cheese. I got them labeled, as you can see, ham, turkey, double Munster, and then I got some Gouda and one. We ready to go out here. I'm just prepping and, like I said, packing everything up, ready to go. Just gotta wait out that storm. It's gonna be a pretty scary one. It looks like it's gonna be a category 5 or 4 according to the last news report. Let's get this shit. Let's get it going. Miami, South Florida, we got this. So guys, just a little update. It is the morning and Hurricane Irma still hasn't come yet. We've had a few bands, some rain, a little bit of lightning and stuff like that. We're just getting another band coming in. There's some wind, as you can see behind me, the rain and all that kind of stuff. Last night I just stayed inside and played some Xbox the whole time. I picked up a bunch of stuff for my efficiency, some clothes, a little bit of food, and some drink, and I came over to my grandpa's house. I'm gonna spend the hurricane here, and I'm just gonna wait and hopefully Irma just keeps going left and left and left and it just misses us. But as of right now, we're getting some bands and all that kind of stuff. Just wanted to give you a last update before I end the video. I love you guys as always. Please keep in touch. Like and comment down below. Subscribe as always. Till next time. Peace.